Just one day before Apple was scheduled to reveal the iPhone 14 on September 6, 2022, the country Brazil banned selling any iPhones that shipped without chargers in the box. Yep, you heard that right. Well, hello guys, welcome to House of Tech, and if you'd like to get new updates about gadgets and tech every day, hit that like and subscribe button. The Cupertino company was also hit with a $2 million fine by Brazilian courts in May 2021 for failing to provide a charger, but this is the first instance that the Brazilian government has halted all iPhone sales altogether. So as we all know, with the release of the iPhone 12 in 2020, Apple stopped including power adapters and headphones in iPhone boxes, and their claims for doing this was that by using less packaging, the change which occurred after Apple first removed power adapters from the new Apple Watch boxes would lessen Apple's carbon footprint. Senecan, which began arguing against the decision last year, claimed that Apple's justifications for eliminating USB power adapters from iPhone boxes on the basis of sustainability were insufficient. It claimed that there was no proof that doing rid of chargers was better for the environment. According to Senecan, Apple might have thought of solutions to lessening its environmental impact that wouldn't burden consumers, such as switching to USB-C cables and chargers, to cut down on e-waste. Senecan also sensationally claimed that Apple basically forces customers to buy a second product after buying a new iPhone by selling new iPhones without power adapters. A power adapter should be included with the purchase, the statement read, as the phone cannot be used without one, making the package incomplete. The organization explained that because the price of iPhones without power adapters has not decreased, the decision has shifted liability to consumers and third-party providers. These are big bold moves made against a trillion-dollar company, and I hope that many countries follow suit. The Brazilian government definitely has their claims justified by the fact that the power adapters sold separately are not priced generously, and even after removing it from the box, the prices of the iPhones has only increased. What do you think about this bold move made by the Brazilian government to protect its citizens against company exploitation? Let us know down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching, we'll see you tomorrow.